सो अब हम जा रहे हैं. सो गाइस, वी आर जस्ट halted. So Kosa Sambo from Bhutan. I hope you are doing absolutely fine, guys. So अब हम जा रहे हैं अभी ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए. फिर ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद थोड़ा सा पैकिंग है, और पैकिंग के बाद विल बी हेडिंग टू another town which is known as Paro. So Paro is around 4 hours something drive from Punakha. So Paro में आज देखेंगे क्या क्या हो सकता है. So this is the plan for right now. And by the way, स्टार्टिंग में जैसा मैंने बोला, Kosa Sambo means they greeted as hello. So that's in Bhutanese language is known as hello. So that's the reason why I started my today's vlog with Kosa Sambo. So guys, on my street, as you can see the plates which is occupied with poha. This is the poha, as you can see there, and the behind of this is known as pancakes which we order right now. एंड दिस इज़ द लेमन विच, अगर आप मुंबई का उसको पता ही होगा, महाराष्ट्र को पता है कि हम पोहा में नींबू डाल के ही खाते. एंड एज वेल एज दिस इज़ द मसाला ऑमलेट विच वी आर गोइंग टू हैव इट राइट नाउ. सो आपको 2 प्लेट्स इसलिए दिखते रहेंगे गाइस, बिकॉज वन इज़ फॉर मी एंड वन इज़ फॉर माई वाइफ. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी हैव 2 प्लेट्स विद द सेम डिशेस. So this is which we are going to consume, and due to the sun, I think so the video, I don't know how it is coming. Do let me know in the comment section below. So this is the coffee for me, and अगर आप ये देखोगे तो this is the masala tea which is ordered for my wife, which my wife ordered. So guys, we had done a very delicious breakfast out there. I hope so you liked the scenes of the breakfast and so on. So now we are going to get ready. थोड़ा सा जेल वेल डालता, थोड़ा सा फेस वॉश करके फिर निकलेंगे टुवर्ड्स आवर नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन विच इज़ पारो. तो गाइस, अगर आप किसी लड़की के साथ आओगे ना इन फ्यूचर, तो ये याद रखना ज़रूर कि यहाँ पे आपको फ़ोटो सेक्शन खींचते आपको छोड़ेगी नहीं, क्योंकि इतने ज़्यादा फ़ोटो खिंचवाती है ना लड़कियाँ. आई नो ये थोड़ा सा अलग है, बट आप लोग फ़ोटो खींच लेना गाइस, अच्छा खासा लगे आपको. आप लोग भी फ़ोटो खींचना, ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ लड़कियों का खींचना. अगर आप कपल सारे तो साथ में कपल फोटोज, कपल सेल्फीज भी ले लेना. सो गाइस, जस्ट बिहाइंड ऑफ मी दिस इज द एंट्रेंस गेट ऑफ पुनातांगचू कॉटेज, द कॉटेज विच वी स्टेड yesterday. So this was the one of the entrance gate. It is quietly very down, and this is the board of Punathangchu cottage out here. As you can see, this is the one which you can see right just behind of me, the cottage which is known as Punathangchu cottage. So guys, we are just halted somewhere in the middle of the road. So आप लोग को एक चीज़ बताना था कि जब भी आप towards highway पे भी जाओगे ना, you will get to see even the restaurants are also into the local styles, which is as you can see, this is also into the local style, and if you see this is also into the local style. They have preserved the culture. That's a really good thing. मतलब जो जान के अच्छा लगता है कि whenever you come to a different country, you get to know about their culture. They preserve the cultures and all. ये वाले buildings भी आप देखोगे तो it is completely into a traditional manner. मेरे को वो सब देख के मज़ा आ गया. आपको सिटीज़ में भी वही सेम मिलेगा, जैसे अपने थिम्पू में भी कुछ रेस्टोरेंट में मोस्ट ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट्स एंड होटल्स आर इनटू ट्रेडिशनल. और हाईवेज पे भी अगर आप देखोगे तो मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर इनटू अ ट्रेडिशनल मैनर. दैट्स रियली गुड. मतलब वो सब उनका कल्चर देख के अलग ही मज़ा आता है. कोई भी कंट्री हो, कोई भी सिटी हो, उनका कल्चर अगर आप देखोगे ना, इट्स कम्प्लीटली अ डिफरेंट वाइब्स टू सी कम्प्लीटली. अगर आप जनरल स्टोर्स भी देखोगे तो वो भी ऐसे लोकल में रहेंगे. अगर आप एक सॉस रेस्टोरेंट भी देखोगे तो भी इट वुड बी इनटू अ ट्रेडिशनल मैनर. और आपको एक और चीज़ नोटिस होगा कि जब भी आप हाईवेज़ पे जाओगे ना कहीं आपको चौथन और कहीं ना कहीं जोंग का व्यू तो मिलता ही मिलता है. एंड बेस्ट थिंग इज़ दैट कि आपको पता है कि दैट इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी लैंग्वेजेस आर एक्सेप्टेबल एंड एज वेल एज इंडियन करेंसीज आर ऑल्सो एक्सेप्टेबल. जो वो एक अच्छी चीज़ है. भले आपको रिटर्न में आपको चेंज होगा, जैसा कि अगर आपने 470 का कुछ सामान खरीदा एंड यू गिव द नोट ऑफ 500 रुपीज़ INR, then you might get a change back of 30 rupees in Bhutanese rupees. But that's also very good क्योंकि कलेक्शंस भी हो जाएगा. आप अपने पास अपना एक कलेक्शन के तौर पे रख सकते हो, प्रिजर्व कर सकते हो. बिल्डिंग्स तो अच्छे खासे और मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम आपको ये सब जो रोड्स रहेंगे, हाईवेज वगैरह खाली ये मिलेंगे, बिकॉज भूटान इज़ वन ऑफ द डिसिप्लिन कंट्री ऑल्सो ऑन ड्राइविंग ऑल्सो। इसलिए आपको जब भी आप ड्राइव करोगे यहाँ पे आपको ओवरटेकिंग बहुत कम दिखेंगे एंड हॉन्किंग अननेसेसरी नहीं दिखेंगे। इमरजेंसीली हॉन्क कर सकते हो भूटान। यही सब चीज़ें गाइस भूटान के बारे में, रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है। जब भी प्लान कर रहे हो कुछ गंदा मत करना कंट्री को, एंड एज वेल एज रिस्पेक्ट देयर कल्चर्स ऑल्सो गाइस। सो गाइस नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स पारो फ्रॉम दिस रोड, सो वी हैव टू bypass by Tachula Pass as well as by Thimphu city also we have to bypass. So now we are heading towards up, and as you can see, I don't know how much the camera can do the justice. So we can see kind of foggy also on my right hand side. So there's lots of fog out there. I'm maximum zooming. I don't know how much you can watch it out. There's so much of fog around us. So guys, once again we have halted at Tachula Pass. So as you can see just behind of me, once again we have halted. Last vlog as you saw, we had halted while going to Punakha, and this time we are going towards Paro. It came from Punakha to Thimphu or Paro. If you are going, then this will be also the stop of it. We just took a washroom break. We just halted for the washroom break at Tachula Pass. So because of this, then we'll continue our journey towards Paro. So guys, अगर weather clear होता ना, यहाँ से अपने को अच्छा खासा हिमालयन रेंज का व्यू दिखता था, but due to the आज भी weather is not clear. So because of this, we are just seeing the fog only out here. So what to do? अगर आप weather clear होता तो इधर एक photos भी है, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ how we can get it this. So this is the Himalayan range name is as Jimmy Singay Wangchuk Himalayan range. So this is the photos of it, which you can get it out. The view of really lovely, beautiful, really Himalayan range. But due to our luck, it's not so good right now. So we had to just see the fog out here. We just get the view of the fog. And this was the cafe. Yesterday also we had halted, and today also we just used the restroom. So now we will be heading towards our destination guys. So आज है ना Tachula Pass में guys, there are most of the group वाले टूरिस्ट है, because अगर यहाँ पे भी देखोगे, यहाँ पे भी कोस्टर मिनी बस है, एंड अगर आप लाइन से देखोगे तो यहाँ पे भी 2 कोस्टर लाइन से बसेस है. आई थिंक सो देर आर काइंड ऑफ Indian crowds, there are kind of many groups continuously coming out here. So guys, now you will get the lovely views of front side of the road scene, because now our guide has gone to some personal work at Thimphu. So because of this, now I'll be showing you the roads of now while going towards the Paro. We are at a highway right now, and with us we have a Sangye bro also out here who will also guide us some of the parts. If the guide is not there, then he will be catching us at Paro, but now we are directly going to Paro. It's going to be really amazing, so stay tuned. So the roads are looking so amazing guys, as you can see out here, the sky and everything. It's really amazing to see all these kinds of things guys. Thing about Bhutan rule is that if you want to do a space overtake, so you have to give the left signal, but this is he's giving the right signal, because I think so he's going to turn right. Otherwise, if you want to overtake, if you want to give the space for the rear vehicles, so the front vehicle will give you the left signal. In India it is right signal, but in Bhutan it is the left signal, which will let you overtake the ahead vehicle guys. This is the rule of Bhutan. Whether in Bhutan there is a right hand driving like India, but the rules are kind of little bit of change as compared to India guys. So as you can see guys, there are restaurants also in the local style, as I mentioned you, and here also if you see, there might be kind of traditional kinds of temples out here of Bhutan. Whenever you go towards anywhere, each and everywhere you will see these kinds of temples and all. And this is the lovely view which is just in front of me. On my right we have a Paro airport sign. So guys, we are at the gate of that day which we came. So straight if we take, then this way will connect to Phuentsholing, and if we take right, then we'll connect to Paro, the way which we will taking right now, and the behind road will connect to Thimphu as we went. And this is the bridge of Paro which we'll get crossed right now, as we are getting crossed out right now. So from here we'll be taking towards right hand side, which is written as you can see in Paro. This is the way we have been connected to Paro road. So guys, we had halted near the Thimphu, Paro and Phuentsholing gate. As you can see, this gate only we had arrived just now. Then we just crossed this bridge out here. And now one interesting fact about this is that as you can see this water, the river. So if you see from straight, this river is flowing from Thimphu, and if you see from this side, this river, so this river is flowing from Paro itself. So this one is from Thimphu, and this one is from Paro, guys. Exactly, you will get to witness the same thing just beside of the gates of Thimphu, Paro, Phuentsholing वाला गेट में आपको ये विटनेस करने मिलेगा. ये आप हिंदी लैंग्वेज में उसको थिम्पू और पारो का जो रिवर है उस संगम होता है, वो आप बोल सकते हो गाइस. So guys, just behind of me, as you can see the river, we just saw just ahead of the Thimphu gate and Phuentsholing and Paro gate. So this river name is Parchu. So here you can do the river rafting. This is just, I think so, 15-17 kilometers ahead of before the Paro town. So this is so amazing, so wonderful. As you can see the river out here, the river name is Parchu, and here you can do the river rafting. If you are coming to Bhutan, not only in Punakha you can do the river rafting, this is also the place where you can do the river rafting. This is the way of river rafting, guys. It's really wonderful. So guys, now we are heading towards the Paro town for the lunch. I hope so आपको ये वाला रिवर देख के मज़ा आया. ये मैं पारो बहुत बार आ चुका हूँ, जैसा आपको पता ही है कि मैंने आपसे शेयर करता हूँ कि भूटान बहुत बार आया. तो वन ऑफ द डेस्टिनेशन पारो भी है जहाँ पे मैं रेगुलर आता ही था, बट ये वाला डेस्टिनेशन में हमने कभी रोका नहीं. इतना मज़ा आया पत्थर फेंकते हुए टुवर्ड्स द रिवर एंड ऑल. मतलब थोड़ा सा अलग ही एक्टिविटीज़ हुआ, थोड़ा अलग एक्टिविटीज नहीं तो आप हमेशा देखिए साइट सीइंग में हम जाते हैं, बट ये कुछ अलग ही फन लिविंग वाला, फन गेमिंग वाला बोलते हैं ना, वैसा हुआ. टू गेट इनटू मस्त मज़ा आ गया. द वाटर इज ऑल्सो सो क्रिस्टल एंड क्लियर, एकदम अलग ही. सो वी विल बी गोइंग फॉर द लंच एट पारो टाउन नाउ गाइस. On my right you can see this is the Paro's first international airport. On my right, as you can see, here is the thing, also the airport down also, as you can see on my right. So it's so wonderful. So, and on my left you have the beautiful river of Paro, and right this is the old airport view out here. So really wonderful, and this is giving a different vibes. It's feeling like we're completely something different. We have come to a different world, guys. See guys, इतना वंडरफुल लग रहा है ना व्यू. अब मैं अभी कैमरा पॉज नहीं कर सकता हूँ बिकॉज आपको व्यूज है ना एक छूट जाएगी. So it's so amazing, so wonderful to see such a lovely and wonderful way and so on, guys. Bhutan is so beautiful country. अगर आप आ रहे हो फ्यूचर में, you should definitely visit, guys, to Bhutan. So guys, on my right, this is the departure. So this is the departure gate of Bhutan Paro Airport. So on my right, as you can see, this is the airport of Bhutan Paro Airport, and as you can see, it's really wonderfully made out here, guys. Front is the arrival gate of Paro. हम पहले भी बहुत बार आ चुके हैं ग्रुप, जब ग्रुप का अराइवल होता था, डिपार्चर होता था इस एयरपोर्ट में. सो वंडरफुली, so amazing. I'm mesmerized with this views and so on. As you can see, the cars are also parked out here, the airports and all. So this is the main terminal of the airport, as you can see on my right. Really wonderful and so amazing out here, guys. Front, as you can see, we got to witness Paro Zong. I'm just done a maximum zoom in. As you can see, this is the Paro Zong, the Zong of Paro. Whenever you land to Bhutan, this Zong always you can see while landing towards Paro. It's really amazing, so wonderful. I have experienced once in a lifetime this from flying from this airport. So it was a really great experience flying from this airport, Paro Airport. It's really, the Zong is looking so amazing, guys, so wonderful. So just top, as you can see, like a stupa, that like a Zong, that is the National Museum of Paro. Just look at this, guys, Zong of Paro. Really amazed with this view, and up this, and this is so amazing to get. We got to witness this Paro Zong. Really good to witness out here. Wow. So into Paro, you might get some kind of this traditional vibes out here, because I've seen many times. I visited Paro many times, and this, I think so, we are going to the town of Paro for the lunch, right? Yes, we are going to the town, Paro town right now. Paro is completely different from Thimphu, guys. It is literally different vibes and all, and very wonderful. Because Thimphu is the capital, you might see more people in Thimphu than Paro. So because of this, and we are surrounded with the lovely greeneries out here of Paro. Very wonderful. Very amazed with this beauty of Bhutan and beauty of Paro, guys. Much ever you enter here, it's really good to see here. Now we are at the town of Paro. So beautifully here, so beautiful, and really amazed with the beauty of Bhutan. I have visited many times to Bhutan, but this beauty is completely different. It's mesmerizing, guys. You can see it as so beautifully. This is the tour of Paro market. As you can see, it's completely different from Punakha market and as well as Thimphu market. It's literally giving me a different vibe. So now we have been holding for the lunch at here somewhere. Let's see what we'll consume and what we'll have it, so that we can enjoy more, guys. So guys, we have made it to the restaurant in the Paro market itself, and this is kind of traditional restaurants out here. And just besides of me, you can see the view of Paro market. I know camera might not do the justice, but I can get the view of Paro market also. And my wife is a biggest fan of now Emadachi. If any Bhutanese people who are watching me, so please hire her as a chef also, and hire as a guide, so that she will help you to not only cook, she will only help you to have it. She's very bad at cooking, I guess. I don't know what is it. So really beautiful location out here. I have visited many times Bhutan, as I told, but every time the vibes is completely different. Here we get to see the beautiful Paro market. I don't know how much you can see. This is the Paro market out here, the Paro town market out here. I know my camera's battery and memories might be gone out of storage, but the vlog might not get over. So really amazing, guys. So beautifully made out here, guys. So हमारा meal आ चुका है, guys, for the day lunch. This is the lunch part, which we are having in the market itself. So the first which we are having, it is known as chicken fried rice, I guess, chicken fried rice, and this it is known as दाल. क्योंकि मेरे को अभी भूटान आने के बाद दाल की चुस्की लगी है, इसके लिए मैं दाल पी रहा हूँ अभी. And my wife is biggest fan of this. I don't know what is this, guys. She's biggest becoming fond of this. So guys, done with a lovely lunch and so on. So this is the view of Paro market. सो मैं जूम इन करके दिखा रहा हूँ गाइस आपको, वहीं पे है हमारा पारो जोंग। दिस इज द पारो जोंग, सो वी डिसाइडेड टू गो टू द जोंग फर्स्ट। सो दिस इज द व्यू फ्रॉम एरियल व्यू ऑफ द पारो जोंग गाइस। आपने थोड़ी देर पहले नीचे से देखा था। सो दिस इज द ब्यूटी एंड द aerial view of Paro Zong guys, it's really beautiful. So we have made it to the Paro Zong. So the entry जैसे आपने देखा थोड़ा पहाड़ों से आके आना पड़ता है आपको towards the beautiful Zong which is known as Paro Zong. This is really beautiful Zong. जैसे आपने रोड साइड में जैसे हम पारो में एंट्री किया वैसे आपने देखा, and from the market also you have seen the beautiful Zong of Paro as you can see just behind me. I'm enhanced by its beauty, so it's really wonderful. So let's go inside and let's explore the Zong guys. So this is the entry of the Bhutan Zong, Paro Zong guys. It's really wonderful and amazing to witness such a lovely Zong for it, and really wonderful. So the Zong's spelling is the D-Z-O-N. So D is silent out here guys. So इसके लिए उसको Zong बोला जाता है. The Zong, really wonderful. And on my left, as you can see, this is the flag of Bhutan. It's really amazing to witness the flag of Bhutan. So guys, we have visited to the inside. We had visited to the Zong of Paro. So this Zong was built 1640. The Paro Zong was built in 1640, and here आप लोग को लगता रहेगा कि हर जगह भूटान में एंट्री फी है, बट आपको जान के खुशी होगी गाइस कि यहाँ पे जब आप जाओगे अंदर you don't have to pay a single rupee. You don't have to pay an entry fee out here. It's just you can explore it out freely. But guide is mandatory in each and every Bhutan part of wherever you go anywhere. But in this is the best part of the Paro, that you don't have to pay a entry fee. Otherwise आप लोग सोचते रहेंगे भूटान में हर जगह आपको entry fee भरना पड़ता है. But finally the government has done some relief to the tourists also, that they don't have to pay entry fee in the Zong guys. Thank you. And now we'll be going to explore some of the parts, so stay tuned. So guys, we have just came some in store in handicraft store of Paro. So we just came to try the traditional dress of Bhutan का. जैसा कि आपको पता है कि it is भूटान में ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस है, तो वही अपना पहनना है. बट ऐसे ही अपन ऐसे ही स्टोर को एक्सप्लोर कर रहे थे. सो डोंट गेट मी रॉन्ग गाइस, दिस इज़ नोन एज फेलेक्स. दिस इज़ द गुड साइन विच इज़ एज पर भूटनीस. जैसा कि कल हम छिमीलाखन में गए थे पुनाखा, और आपको स्टोरी पता ही चला होगा उसका थोड़ा बहुत, तो इसके लिए ऐसा इन भूटान इट इज़ नोन एज अ गुड साइन. सो डोंट कोट ऑन एनीथिंग मिनी fridge magnet and this wall magnet and all. This is the Tiger Nest Monastery, as you can see, one of the famous monastery of Bhutan in Paro itself. And really lovely sweet are out here, really loving it out. So guys, this is the Paro Zong, as you can see just behind of me. So we are going to explore from outside the Paro Zong. अपने अभी अंदर से Zong को explore किया था. So we are going to explore the Paro Zong just behind of me. It is a really beautiful place out here. We are going to click some photography of the Zong so that you can enjoy the lovely scene of Paro Zong guys. And in the Paro it is raining, so as you can see that we are catching our umbrellas also because of it's raining heavily guys. So let's cross guys. So guys, we are back again in the car. So now we'll be going, I think so, towards the hotel itself. So it's raining in the Paro. As you saw, we were using our umbrellas also. So due to this, we are going to now towards the hotel. Let's see how much time will it take to our hotel. So guys, we have made it to our resort, which is hotel Thim Dorji here in the Paro itself. It is little outskirts of Paro, मीन्स थोड़ा सा अंदर है मेन टाउन से, तो इसके लिए आपको थोड़ा सा मेन टाउन तक जाने के लिए थोड़ा सा टाइम लगेगा. अदरवाइज इट वुड बी वेरी वेरी नाइस टू गो टू. अगर वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस में होता तो ओपन मार्केट भी चले जाते, बट कोई नहीं, अपने पास पारो में 2 नाइट्स है, तो वील एक्सप्लोर दैट places also guys. I know it's raining also, then also vlogging. This देख रहे हो, this is the board of Thim Dorji which is in Paro, and now we'll do the check-in process. फिर बाद में आपको रूम टूर तो दिखाना ही पड़ेगा. So guys, this is the view from, not from our room, but this is the view from our hotel's lobby. As you can see, it is raining, so because of this you might see the floors are also wet out there, and just behind of this, as you can see, a lovely green valley types of view we are getting it off. It's really wonderful and it's so amazing. Whether it is outside of the little bit of outside of Paro market, but Denoto is looking so amazing. If you see this building styles also, this is little bit of kind of little modernized building. As we checked in into the, we got the welcome drink as our tea. It's much needed for me because I'm not coughing. I was not feeling well from since long time, but thank godly it is tea and it is raining also. So what a combination. क्या deadly combination है कि नहीं मेरी वाइफ ही. We need typical मुंबई का. एक चीज़ देते तो हम लोग को और चीज़ चाहिए, वो टिपिकल मुंबई का ही है ये. चाय की चुस्की मारने का टाइम आ गया. चेयर्स वंस अगेन चाय की चुस्की के नाम पे. मज़ा आ भी गया. सो गाइस, यहाँ से अपना लॉबी जो है ऑफ थिम दौरजी का, जैसा मैंने चाय की चुस्की के बाद अभी प्रॉमिस किया था, सो अभी जस्ट चाय की चुस्की हुई. और यहाँ यू सी द थिम दौरजी का. This out here, the lobby is so wonderful. Here we have the waterfall also. If you see out there, such a really really lovely waterfall out here. So amazing to see the lovely kind of fountain, the waterfall fountains coming around. And one thing which is really famous in Paro, for Bhutan only you can say that. So we got to witness the Taksang, the tiger nest, for which not only Paro is famous, for which Bhutan is famous guys. So हम लोग कल इधर नहीं जाएंगे ड्यू टू द मानसून सीजन, बिकॉज वहाँ पे आपको 1 वे 3 आवर्स का हाइकिंग है, एंड अगर 2 वे करोगे तो 6 आवर्स का हाइकिंग है. सो द रोड्स माइट बी लिटिल स्लिपरी ड्यू टू द मानसून सीजन. तो इसके लिए वी आर गोइंग टू अनदर प्लेस विच इज़ नोन एज चेलेला पार्क. गाइस, अब आपको रूम टूर तो दिखाना है, बनता है बिकॉज द रूम इज़ सो वंडरफुल, सो ब्यूटिफुल. मतलब आपको देख के मज़ा आएगा, क्योंकि हमने जब रूम में चेक इन किया, वो रूम देख के तो एक अलग ही मज़ा आ गया. मतलब आप बोलोगे ना, इतना अलग ही वातावरण. माय गॉड, इतना बड़ा ब्लॉग बन जाएगा ना कि आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. बाप रे बाप, मज़ा आएगा. सो द रूम नंबर विच वी गॉट इट इज़ 209, विच इज़ नोन एज junior suite in this languages. And if you see this row, this is the row from which we had arrived right now. So now let's start our journey towards our room tour. So we have entered our room guys. So on your left, as we enter, you get a lovely bathroom as well as yourself. So you can see yourself, the lovely mirror out here. You can see it yourself. And the best design which I can get it some using unique design which I got to see is the wash basin. As you can see, it is kind of pot type, like I can see like a lotus type also. And this also here small mirror, we got it to witness it out. And now here we get the shower out here. So it's really good to go, you know, here it's kind of tiny, but it's always the best thing to have bath and so on. That's really good. And here, as usual, we get 2 towels out here as a hotel. And this, I'm kind of confused. What is this? If you are aware about this, then do let me know in the comment section below. I'm really confused about this. And this is kind of something different washroom. I just got it. Kind of electronic washroom near the commode. Now we are going to enter to the main thing. Here as we entered, our room is so beautifully decorated. Oh my god, I really love it. Thanks once again Vikas for this really lovely decoration for applying, and thanks for hotel for this for lovely decorations. I really love it. So as you can see, the balloons and all in applied, kept in the this beds and all. It's really amazing. It's so wonderful, so peaceful. Do know So this is the lovely bed which we got it right now. I know she's my wife, she's just going out of it. Once again thank you because once again for this lovely this decoration which you informed to our hotel. Really the Theme Dorji team also thank you. The whole property name is Theme Dorji at Paro. आई थॉट दैट हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे आज होटल पे, बस जल्दी आगे, बट ये सब डेकोरेशन देखने के बाद तो मन नहीं कर रहा है कि बाहर भी जाने का, निकले रूम से. आर यू रेडी गाइस फॉर द यूनिक व्यू आउट हियर? सो दिस इज द लवली व्यू विच वी गॉट इट फ्रॉम आवर साइड. सो एज यू कैन सी द रिवर. वाओ यार, इट्स सो अमेजिंग. आई नो द विंडो इज गेटिंग क्लोज्ड. So amazing, yeah, so amazing. Wonderful guys, so wonderful. God is such a beautiful, yeah, beautiful. I have no words to express, but it's so wonderful, so amazing, so grateful. It's really, I'm so grateful to have this lovely room out here. See we are surrounded by the natures. As you can see, we are surrounded with the mountains, we are surrounded with the water, with the river. Really great. And today it's raining, so yes, we are surrounded, very surrounded with the nature guys. And not only this guys, we have also got it this wall where you can sit and have your me time, or you can click lovely photographs. It's so wonderful and so nice out here. And as you saw the beds, and this is the another side of the room itself. It's so amazing. Yeah, they have applied the curtains also out here, so wonderful. And here as usual you get kettles and some tea bags, coffee sachets and milk powder and 2 glasses and 2 cups and 2 bottles of water. And as well as you get it the charges of the menu of if you want to consume some beer, juices and cookies out here, because in this freezer we got to see some of the beers, some of the this cans of beers as well as cans of juices guys. So it is chargeable, it's not free of cost. So if you consume, then you have to pay whatever you have consumed, you have to pay as per this. So that is a freezer. And just right after that we get a lovely television out here, and just telephones, charging station. I guess this is a charging station out here. And this is the, I don't know what is this guys, I am really confused about it. And this is also completely something different out here guys, and really lovely. And at this side we get the sofas also out here. As you can see out here, sofas also to sit it out and just relax it off. And now one more view time guys. Let's explore the wonderful view of Theme Dorji Hotel. Amazing. As you can see out here, you have to be careful of the cameras and mobiles out here. So amazing. You can see from this side we just had come. So this is the lovely monastery out here. Wow यार, क्या मज़ा आ गया यार व्यू देखते हुए. How did you like the room?
Lovely.
It was beyond the expectation, right?
Yes, I want to stay here forever.
She's so impressed with the view. She's so impressed with the room. She's so impressed with the nature. She's so impressed with each and everything at Bhutan. Thank you team.
This place is amazing.
Amazing. Thank you.
Must visit.
Thank you team Dorji for this lovely welcoming and kind gesture guys. So as we were talking about in the up that हम लोग को अभी पकौड़ा खाने का मन हो रहा था, बारिश भी थी और चाय भी अपने को दिया था. सो अभी हमने अपने इसमें से मंगाया. दिस इज़ द वेज पकौड़ा विच इज़ नोन एज हियर, एंड दिस इज़ द फ्रेंच फ्राइज, क्योंकि फ्रेंच फ्राइज से जस्ट एक्स्ट्रा मंगाया अपन ने. सो अभी जस्ट अंजलि का जो मन था खाने का, वेज पकौड़ा भी मंगा लिया एंड एज वेल एज फ्राइज भी. तो चलिए अब कंज्यूम करते गाइस. तो ये प्रॉपर्टी जो है इट इज़ लिटिल आउटस्कर्ट्स ऑफ द सिटी. मतलब पारो मार्केट से अगर ड्राइव करोगे तो इट इज़ अराउंड 5 to 10 minutes. फिर भी कोई नहीं गाइस, हमने थोड़ा बहुत दिन में हमने एक्सप्लोर किया पारो मार्केट. हम आपको कल दिखाएंगे और ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेस का भी प्लान तो है, अभी देखेंगे कल पहला चेहला पास जाने के बाद अपन एक्सप्लोर करेंगे अदर प्लेसेस ऑफ बुचान गाइस ऑफ पारो. सो स्टे ट्यून. सो गाइस तो हमारा जो है डिनर आ चुका है. सो दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट मील विच वी अराइव इज़ दैट क्रीमी चिकन soup, creamy chicken soup it is known as, and this जो है it is non-veg dumpling which is ordered by my beautiful wife, and that is kind of salad which you see गया salad करके it's हो गया salad which आप जैसे कि दूर से देख रहे हो. ये मेरे अतरंगी चीज़ें ना मेरी वाइफ ही मंगा सकती है guys. हम तो बस तो तुमको क्या क्या पसंद आ रहा है बताओ.
I will try new things. Kevadachi is my favorite.
And
I have ordered Kevadachi today.
so she's really fond of all the dishes.
Dachi, I love dachi.
So this is just which arrived is known as chicken chili, which is ordered by me, and rest whichever you are seeing this momos type का जो चीज़ है, and that हो गया salad that is ordered by my beautiful wife. हो गए salad और हो गया salad. It's हो गया salad और सब भी है guys. मेरे को पता नहीं हो गया salad और हो गई salad जो भी है जैसा भी है उस salad तो salad ही है. तो that is ordered by my wife. अब खा लेंगे enjoy करेंगे मील. आप लोग भी भूटान इतना पसंद आ गया ना मुझे. मैं मल्टीपल टाइम्स आ गया पर भी इतना पीसफुल लग रहा है ना. मज़ा आ गया. भूटान में वापस आऊँगा. So just arrived dal also guys. This is the dal which you are seeing right now. And after that, if you see, this is chicken. Chicken makhani. Makhani or makhani, whatever we can call it as. And that is the red rice, which is famous in Bhutan. And this is the
My wife's favorite.
my wife's favorite dashi. Kevadachi, which is my wife's favorite. She is very fond of this dish, guys. So guys, now just that has arrived right now. So this is the custard, and this is the pineapple halwa, which you can see as both are into yellowish color, but it's going to be really amazing. And this time I'm going to try for the first time the pineapple halwa guys. पहुंच चुके अपने beautiful location, that is our room. So अब तो पारो में आज का नाइट तो हुई गया ख़त्म, और कल का भी नाइट हम स्टे करेंगे इन पारो. रिसोर्ट तो एकदम मस्त है. आई होप सबको थोड़ा बहुत सीन हमारे रूम के बाहर वाले जो सीन देख के मज़ा आया होगा. तो आज ज़्यादा क्या एक्सप्लोर भी नहीं किया क्योंकि हमने आज पुनाखा से अपना जो जर्नी स्टार्ट किया टूवर्ड्स पारो था. थोड़ा बहुत आपको मार्केट का सीन दिखाया एंड थोड़ा बहुत आपको होटल्स का सीन दिखाया. एंड अपन थोड़ा जोंग वोंग में भी गए थे और पारो जोंग, दैट वाज द इट. और यहीं से अपने ये वाला व्यू देखा था बाहर का रिवर साइड का. तो अब क्या अंधेरा हो गया तो पर्दा बंद. कल सुबह खोल देंगे इसको और अच्छा खासा व्लॉग स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो आई होप सो यू आर लाइकिंग द व्लॉग्स ऑफ माइन भूटान सीरीज़. If you're liking, please share कर दीजिए, सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट योर थॉट्स अबाउट दिस, एंड सोशल मीडिया पे भी फॉलो करना गाइस. सो मैं मिलता हूँ आपको एक नया लवली व्लॉग में. सो दैट्स इट विद टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो. इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द लाइक बटन, शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड कमेंट डाउन बिलो योर थॉट्स. सब्सक्राइब कर लेना आप लोग और बेल आइकन भी दबा देना बिकॉज अगले वीडियोस जो भी आएंगे अच्छे खासे आएंगे. तो मैं मिलता हूँ आपको नेक्स्ट लवली व्लॉग में और पारो साइटसीइंग गाइस. So guys, we are made it to the उनको